Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my first plan with me for the week of, well, January 2nd through January 8th in my HOBONICHI Cousin Effect for 2023. So if you haven't seen my setup yet, I'm going to put that in the link in the top right hand corner here. But this cover is from Bujo Planner on Instagram, and her covers are just so soft and plushy and luxurious and so pretty. Love it. All right, so let's flip to this week here. This week I wanted something wintry yet floral, if I could say that. So I'm actually using, not those, these supplemental stickers from Let's Planet, and it's her Iris kit. And then I'm going to be adding it actually to the lined wildflowers from Shop According to Allie. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm just remembering this time last year when I was doing my first ever spread in my HOBONICHI and how nerve-wracking that was. And here I am going into my second year using the HOBONICHI Cousin, which I'm very excited about. So let's put this one down here. And then just do the Take Time to Unwind. I feel like this is the perfect kit for this week because this week is the busiest week for my job. I work for Weight Watchers, so the first week of January is always our busiest time of year. Oh, I like how that looks together. So yeah, so I need this Take Time to Unwind. Plus I have new releases coming out, so and I'm filming this on Friday the 30th. And as of today, I have not started the new releases yet. So that shows you what my life is like currently. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these up at the top, but there's a part of me that wants to use a different set of washi. This is from According to Allie, and I kind of want to use these. However, I don't know if I want to use the big whole length of it. Or do I? I wonder if I could just do like part of it, because I mean the kids aren't going to be at school, so I don't really need anything before 7. And I honestly don't mind covering up the date a bit. No, I'm going to use the whole thing. So let's put that down. And this washi is from According to Allie as well. Yes, I know it's very floral for the first week of January, which is like, I wonder what the temperature is going to be next week. I hope it's not minus 35 like it was the week leading up to Christmas. Okay, that looks pretty. Then I'm going to add these. Like so. Oh, that is really pretty. Whoops. And I might actually rotate where I put them so that they're not all in the same thing. And you know what? I did the thing where I didn't put the washi down perfectly straight on the paper. And oh, thank goodness it's coming up. And I'm just going to lie that down properly because it's going to bug me if there's like a wrinkle in the paper. And then this last one, I might actually put this one down here. Yeah, I'm going to do that and mix it with a little bit of this purple. Because how cute is that? I love the kits from Let's Planet. I think they're absolutely fantastic for deco and all of that. So maybe just even add like a little thing here, and then I'm going to add a little, I say a little floral, but this one is super cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, I love that so much. All right, so I'm going to zoom in to do the sidebar here. I just realized how much this kit, this Iris kit, looks similar to a pen that I should be getting in the mail very, very soon. Okay, so what I'm going to be using is, you're going to love this pen. This is my F3 pens. This is the Model 3 in Moonlit Rodden, and it's actually currently inked with Ferris Wheel Press Blushing Mushroom. Sorry, before I do that, I see sticker off center. Okay, so down the side here is where I keep track of my sleep. And I keep track of my sleep scores because my sleep has been very much tied to my mood and how effective I feel on a day-to-day basis. So let's just draw a graph. And I measure this using my Fitbit. And then underneath here, I haven't really decided what I want to do. And do I want to do a mood tracker where I know that my mood isn't going to be that great next week, or keep track of whether or not I do stretching, or do I just leave it as I've already got a quote underneath there. Why don't I just do it as a step counter for now and write just steps, and then I'm just gonna write the day of the week, and then I'll write how many steps I got. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Well, that's so bad if I've been doing this for so long and I'm like, am I actually writing what I need to? I'm gonna add some cute little emojis to this. I have these from Planner Monkey Co. I love teeny tiny icons, love them. So I'm gonna just put a little teeny tiny icon for steps. And then for sleep, oh, see, I even had one from Paper Bits Co. For sleep, those stickers are in my relax category. Is there any in that one? No, that's nail polish and manicure. Here we go. So I'm gonna put this pink one. Cute. Oh, I love that. All right, so now I'm gonna move to the bottom of the spread. So down here at the bottom, I'm gonna write meals Monday through Sunday. And this is where I actually keep track of my meals throughout the week. I have been using my Weight Watchers tracker, but I've been a little bit loose on my tracking recently. More just so for intuitive eating, really listening to my body versus having to track every single food that I eat. So now moving into the overall day section, I'm going to go ahead and write in work Monday through Friday. And sometimes I do the work with a sticker. Sometimes I write it in with a Tombow Food & Nosque brush pen. Other times I just like to write it in with my fountain pen. This is one of those weeks where I just want to use up this beautiful ink. The ink that is currently in here is Blushing Mushroom. I think I said that already, from Ferris Wheel Press. And this was a sample that I purchased from Van Ness Pens. What I love is that Ferris Wheel Press is a Canadian company. Tempted to buy bottles, but I have made a commitment to myself this year to only buy samples because I already have too many bottles. I do not need any more. And samples, I mean, like Van Ness sells 4 ml samples, so does PenChalet, and then so you can get a lot for a 4 ml sample from those two shops. Okay, so then going into Monday. Monday is my usual to-do list on a Monday is to meal plan and order groceries. My husband actually has the day off on Monday, but I do not. So he will probably take the kids out somewhere, which is nice. And then Tuesday night, we put out all the garbage bins. And then I'm gonna take, there's some weeks that I kind of did not use any emojis, and I wondered why I stopped using them. Those garbage ones are too big. Thought, why don't I just use them? They're cute. Otherwise, it's just money that I spent that I'm not using. Do I have any more garbage ones? Oh, there. So these ones are from Let's Planet. That is cute. So yeah, I think I'll use up what I have, and then I probably won't be ordering too many more emojis. Not that I don't like them. I think they're absolutely adorable. I just have lots and don't need any more at the moment. I'm also kind of leaning more towards smaller icons, like the ones that Planner Monkey Co. does, or Paper Bits Co. I like the smaller icons. Wednesday, nothing. Thursday is pick up groceries, and I love this sticker from Paper Bits Co., that little grocery bag. My husband picks up groceries on his way home from work. I was like, which way does this pen go? So then Friday, 2 o'clock, I go to weigh in at Weight Watchers. And I also try to take some time in there to film my weeks and my cousin. And then I am waiting, patiently waiting for my, I say December purchase, but I purchased this pen in December. There was another pen I purchased towards the end of December, right before Christmas, that should be arriving on the 4th. Oh, waiting for that very, very patiently. So then the 7th, Saturday the 7th, no plans, but then Henry has Ninja on the Sunday. So I will probably, I'm donating blood in the morning. That is right. So 9:35 blood donation. And then I will probably be working on orders the rest of that day. And then this day will be cleaning. Oh, you know what I forgot? Folding laundry. I will probably fold laundry on Friday night, depending on how late I end up working. And let's do this one. So fold laundry. And I actually find folding laundry really relaxing and cathartic because I watch YouTube videos while I do it. Then Sunday will be our cleaning day. So let's get one of these Paper Bits Co. stickers. I love this because this girl looks like me. That's all. And there. So that will be bathrooms. Our usual cleaning once a week. And my husband will do the vacuuming in the windows. We get Henry to get all the bins from around the house, and I try to encourage him with the dusting, but try to encourage an 8-year-old to dust. And then my daughter helps out with the bathroom, but then she also does the light switches and the door handles. And then Henry has Ninja. Oh, but I should have put the time first. 11:30 to 12:30. Okay. Otherwise, no other plans. Yes, it looks kind of bland. It normally does at the beginning of the week because, you know, I try to put as much in here that I know is happening, but then I fill it out during the week. I'm really excited for this kit. It's really, really cute, and oh, I just love it. It adds color to a very bland January. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, or if you can see that I've forgotten something, let me know as well. Oh, Henry doesn't start wall climbing until the following week. He's gonna have 2 on the same day, but I'm sure he'll be fine. Is there anything else that I need to add to here, guys? I don't think so. I really like the way that it looks. I'm gonna keep it this way. Then thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.